think so. It's like 500 for my
You gotta get that fixed right now, or you can wait till next summer.
Nah, I just got my left motor mount fixed right now. But for my other one, bro, I'm gonna wait till before it starts snowing, bro. I try to think about that shit. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to start snowing.
Well, it really worth more than that, but
Nah, come on, bro. That's a reasonable price, though. Cause there's no engine light at all in that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit runs smooth, bro. I make choice for engine light my shit. No jinx, bro.
life.
I don't know, bro.
I think life hard when you don't know what you want to do.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's like making choices is hard, bro.
Huh?
Make it hard, bro. I'm honest with you. But making choices, bro. I feel like making choices is hard, really, bro. Because once you make that choice, bro, you can't get back the time you lost, bro.
You can. That's why you gotta learn from that decision that you made. What's going on with it, bro?
I don't know. I'm in a process, bro.
Huh?
Like, I'm in a process, bro. But like, time.
Been up the street? Yeah. So preference, where you set silver? Oh, I'll go back. Hold on, I'm open. You know, you fuck the best one, you know, like that silver? The flavor of this is different from back in the day. I was a Dutch nigga, though. I was Dutch like 89 paper, you know, backwood. I was against backwoods. Like, if I went to the first time, I'm like, what? It's weird shit smoking. Smoke with us, this is cool. Like, okay. You know, my little young niggas done pearls some food. Bro, you got me too. Or you can have one, bro. But they roll up with your shoulder. But at the same time, them young niggas, you give them niggas at 80, boy, they gonna give you that one little bud. They gonna been roll up your whole. Yeah, that's crazy. Nah, you definitely get $100 that's what's up. The only thing with you trying to they play defense and all that. I mean, glad I ain't been on USC. I did play defense that long.
Everybody in the world, bro.
Facts.
Today.
Damn, I don't even got it. I done gave it to you. I don't even got it.
Man, I don't even carry cash, man. I'm about to do cash up right now.
I gave it to you too. That's good.
That's
Wise
good.
word.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you.
God bless y'all well, man.
Bless, man. Bless.
Find out what they said
You
about
got the 13s on your feet though. You got the good feet on. I'm saying.
God gave it to me.
He got
He
game,
gave me
man.
these, he gave me some nights. So he told me, I said, thank you, man, you know. Because we supposed to have each other too much to get each other, you know. And I see that, man. I live in the city, man. I come a long way on the bus. You know what? I love all y'all, man. Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, God bless.
God bless you, man.
God bless y'all too.
Now you watching basketball? Now you see that Julius Randle to
Hell yeah, I was shocked, bro.
yeah, he traded so and Randall to the Timberwolves.
They traded Kyle, bro. They traded Kyle.
I thought that joint was fake.
I thought it was fake too, cause I seen it one time. The next snap over.
Yo, why did they do that,
I had
bro?
to think that was
Randall freaky.
The specimen behind, by the way, and
Thank you.
growing up fast, though, honestly.
Nah, yeah, hell yeah. I just did my starter knock yesterday. She just did some twists. But I'm letting it go out now to see how it really.
How long you think you gonna let it grow out to?
How long I'm gonna let it grow out to? It all depends. I don't know. I gotta see. You know what I'm saying? See the look. See the look first. I can't get my hair done and not get an edge up. You feel me? A lot of people be like that, you know.
Get their hair done, not get an edge up, right?
Yeah, shit be looking not clean, bro. I can't do that, you heard? I was stressing like, damn, I need an edge up in the taper, like, yeah. And make your hairstyle pop more too, you know what I mean? That's good.
There be mad people out here though. They be growing their dreads and stuff, and then losing their hairlines.
Yeah.
Cause they be trying to
Yeah.
get like dreads on their hairline.
Yeah.
So that's my first shop I've been in.
Huh?
This is my first shop.
In here? Okay.
I've been paying hair for like 3 years. Though.
Yeah. You've been doing it like out your house?
Is it a good day? And everything seems to go in that direction. What's up? So we really think this will take 4 weeks? Like that. First time they spent on launch will be twice that. Yeah. You're okay to hang tight. Please send it back to Cleveland.
because it'll be a 6.0. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So,
Did you have your shit for that time on the belt?
1 year ago. Yeah, but, so, you had at 5? I'm going to say 5. It's 16. They had a swear figure out. Yeah, so I was 7. So your shit is the same shit as that. I know. Mine is a 6. The regular one is a 2.5. I'm telling you, so good.